play now. What is the game?
Okay, so we spoke about all these features and qualities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give you a feature, and what you have to do is tell me which celebrity or which Bollywood personality comes to your mind when I give you a feature.
Definitely Coffee with Karan pe hum log, I'm telling you guys. Okay.
Isn't it fun? Are you enjoying
I'll
it?
get into trouble if I take some wrong names. I better give the right
Okay, but you have to be quick, okay? So when I give you a feature, you don't have to think much. Just go for it. Okay, so we begin with you and then we come to you. All right, so Pari, the first feature is, the first quality this phone has is it's marvelously sleek. Who comes to your mind?
Deepika.
Deepika Padukone, marvelously sleek.
I think she's quite sleek and beautiful.
Okay, good one. So the next one is matchless security.
Security. I think Salman. I think like I would feel quite safe and secure with him.
With the dole
Because he's like the shirt, nahi. I mean, I think I would feel really safe and like he's a man and I think, yeah.
Yes, he is a gentleman. Yeah. All right, going ahead with someone who's unstoppable, the mega battery.
Battery is only Ranveer, yaar. He's mad. Yeah.
Ranveer, the energy, the battery. Wow.
Even VD actually. And in the girls, it would probably be me.
Why not? Yes, you're always bubbling with energy.
I think so, yeah.
So that was mega battery, and the last one for you is majestic sound.
Mr. Bachchan, I think, na? He has the most powerful voice when he talks. So I think majestic sound, yeah, for sure.
That was very
Safe
impressive.
Safe? कुछ गलत नहीं बोला ना?
Well, I think they were very great answers. Yeah.
They were very great.
They're correct.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
feel. Okay, amazing.
Okay,
बच
so
गए.
बच गए नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छा किया. Those were really good answers, weren't they? All right, so we know the features, we know the qualities and the prices. I'm sure you all are quite excited to go ahead and take a feel of the phone, take a look at what it is and use it. So Pari, how do you like the phone?
I actually really love it. I was just looking at it and the camera is like really good, but also the interface is really easy. It's very responsive to the touch. Anything that I'm doing is it's really easy. I've wanted to have a backup phone actually, and I was talking to my brother just yesterday that I want a backup phone, so I might go for this one actually.
And
so maybe time to give our friends here a photo opportunity. Those who are sitting.
Photo.
Right.
What? This question is the most exciting.
okay, so
why don't you go ahead?
I don't know.
Be a sport.
We'll do the photos.
Be a sport.
What is this? No, I just want to say hello.
Okay, so Pari is now going to dedicate a song to Moto M, and let's hear a song, please.
No. What should I sing? A love song to this phone?
A love song,
like,
too, if you wish to.
No. Okay, tell me a song that I can dedicate, and then we'll take pictures. Come. Cameras behind, sir. Yeah. Everybody okay if I'm standing? Yeah. My favorite is here.
So Pariniti, when you realized that you are a tech-savvy person, you are a mobile buff, and what similarities do you think you have with the Moto M?
Oh, similarity between the phone and me. The phone is a very responsive phone, and I also think I'm a very friendly person, so I think that would be the first similarity. I think the phone and I both love gold. The phone is gold, I love gold. What else? It's sleek. I'm trying to be sleek. So yeah, I think three similarities.
Hi Pariniti here. परिणीति आजकल डीमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद कैशलेस होने की बात बहुत हो रही है कि मोबाइल ऐप से आप कैशलेस हो जाइए, तो आप कितना कैशलेस ट्रांजैक्शन करती हैं और आपका जो सपोर्ट स्टाफ है उनको किस तरह से ट्रेन करें कि वो कैशलेस हो जाए, क्योंकि मनी प्रॉब्लम सब जगह चल रही है.
जी एक्चुअली मेरे मोस्टली ट्रांजैक्शंस एनीवे कैशलेस होते थे बिकॉज आई यूज़ माई कार्ड. आई डोंट कीप टू मच कैश विद मी एट ऑल. मेरे पास बहुत ही मिनिमल खर्चे के लिए इफ़ आई रियली नीड कैश आई कीप चेंज. सो आई डिडंट फेस I didn't see a transition that way. My staff, I'm there for them. तो जितने भी staff हैं, on the first day we had a conversation and जितनी भी उनको help चाहिए थी, I'm helping them. But all my staff have bank accounts. वो automatically employ होने से पहले ही they have bank accounts, they have PAN cards, so they are also working through their cards, so it's fine. We're a very hip team.
थैंक यू।
परिणति, आप कौन सा फोन यूज करती हैं पर्सनल लाइफ में?
मैं कौन सा फ़ोन यूज़ करती हूँ? मैं हर महीने अपना फ़ोन चेंज करती हूँ.
That's a great answer.
सीखने में मैम मैं सिखाती हूँ. नहीं, एक्चुअली रियली टाइम नहीं लगता है बिकॉज आई लव दीज आई लव गैजेट्स, नॉट ओनली फोन्स, इवन टीवीज, चाहे वो AC हो, चाहे वो TV हो, एनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स, माई म्यूजिक सिस्टम्स, माई म्यूजिक प्लेयर्स, आई लव देम. तो in about 15-20 minutes I'm quite comfortable with them. मेरा म्यूज़िक ऐप एक्चुअली सबसे ज़्यादा, क्योंकि मेरा म्यूज़िक सबसे ज़्यादा ऑन होता है, एंड IMDb बिकॉज आई एम रीडिंग अबाउट फिल्म्स अ लॉट.
Any more questions?
They will wait for one-on-ones.
Yeah, one last question.
So sweet, thank you. I'm looking like the phone, na? What do you think? मेरे और फ़ोन में कोई अंतर नहीं है अभी. Honestly, this is the most important question that I'm asked, and I love to answer because genuinely that maintenance is the most difficult thing. When last year when I took the break to lose all the weight, I was in a momentum and I lost a lot of weight, but maintaining is really hard because every day you're craving something, you want to eat something, and you know, obviously nobody likes exercising much. There are very few people who enjoy exercising, so it's really tough. But when you see clothes fitting you better, or when you see yourself in the mirror, it like motivates you again. So I just have to stand in front of the mirror all the time and be like, okay, come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, I have to motivate myself basically.
परिणीति,
Sorry, what? Huh. Who's always on their phone? Me, I think. Yeah, I actually on film shoots I'm very disciplined. I usually take my phone only at the end of the day. But otherwise I'm always on my phone, yeah. Like I'm always reading, I'm on social media, or I'm talking to my friends, or I'm on like talking to whoever. Like I'm always on the phone. I'm a Google girl, so I'm constantly on Google.
That's why you need the
Pariniti?
battery of this phone. All right, so
This
we're
is
gonna
true.
have one last question
There are a couple
now.
of questions. Let them happen.
Okay.
हाल ही में बेवॉच का ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ है, आपने देखा है वो ट्रेलर? प्रियंका
course.
का एक्चुअली बहुत स्मॉल चंक उसमें दिखाया है, तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगी?
क्या कहूँ?
कैसा लगा आपको ट्रेलर?
I think the trailer was amazing. I've grown up on Baywatch. हम लोग देखते थे हर हफ्ते, and it's amazing कि इतने बड़े brand, if that's what I can call Baywatch to be a big brand, Mimi Didi is a part of that, and it's the proudest thing.
बट आपको नहीं लगता कि जितना ट्रेलर में दिखाया गया है उन्हें, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा डिजर्व करती हैं वो दिखना उसमें?
Yeah, the trailer is cut according to a story or whatever. I don't think we can involve ourselves in that. I think she's going to be fantastic in the film because I've seen some stills and all, and she's looking also amazing, and she's going to be amazing in the film. कि वो कभी कभी privacy चली जाती है उससे. There are many things. Sometimes आप privately चाहे एक movie देखने जा रहे हैं, या शायद आप उस दिन अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे हैं, या आप किसी के साथ बैठे हैं, especially अगर वो लड़का हो, वो automatically social media पे कुछ और ही बन जाती है बात. So I feel there's a lack of privacy sometimes, but I love being on social media. I really read about everybody, I follow everybody, I like to know what everybody is doing, so I enjoy social media a lot personally.
All right, so we're gonna have one last go for that.
एक सवाल, परिणीति, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी एक्टर ने या किसी शख्स ने आपको इतना इरिटेट किया हो फोन पे कि आपने ब्लॉक कर दिया उसे? वो कौन है?
ब्लॉक एक्चुअली मैंने किसी को नहीं किया है यार.
कोई तो होगा.
नहीं, कभी कभी अगर किसी के साथ लड़ाई होती है तो वो 5 मिनट के लिए लगा ब्लॉक यू एंड ऑल, वो 5 मिनट के लिए फिर खुद ही अनब्लॉक हो जाता है. वो नहीं होता. मैं किसी को नहीं ब्लॉक करती. आई कांट.
वॉलपेपर पे किसकी फोटो रखती हैं आप?
वॉलपेपर पे किसकी?
You know, these are subtle questions about the phone that are being asked.
एक्चुअली एट द मोमेंट मेरे वॉलपेपर पे जिसकी फोटो अगर मैं दिखा दूं तो आप लोग शायद खुश हो जाओगे, लेकिन मैं बोलूंगी नहीं. एक्चुअली माई वॉलपेपर्स आर यूजुअली जो फ़ोन के वॉलपेपर्स होते हैं ना खुद के, दैट्स व्हाट आई नॉर्मली कीप. बट नाउ डेज लाइक टू मोटिवेट माई सेल्फ, और इफ देयर इज अ कोट दैट आई रियली लाइक देन समटाइम्स आई कीप दोज कोट्स. बट नाउ डेज अजय जी आप फ़ोन छुपा के रखो. हाँ, अभी कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकती है. हाँ, मेरी खुद की फोटो है. I'll keep it at that.
Or
Oh, of course. That's what I've been doing.
All right, so thank you for all your questions. And yes, we're going to flaunt the phone.
I just did a lot of pictures.
I think we've had enough
I'll
pictures.
have to shoot that separately, Babu. Just give me 5 minutes.
परिणीति, मेरी प्यारी बिंदु के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना चाहेंगे. कहाँ तक शूट हो गया और कब तक फिल्म को प्रमोट करना चालू करेंगी आप?
एक्चुअली आज रात को ही हमारी शूट है मेरी प्यारी बिंदु. मैं अभी यहाँ पर सारे दिन हूँ एंड फिर आज मैं पूरी रात नाइट शूट करने वाली हूँ, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल होने वाला है बिकॉज आई एम गोना डू अ 24-hour शिफ्ट. सो आई एम लाइक रियली ट्राइंग टू प्रेप माई सेल्फ फॉर इट, कीप माई सेल्फ फ्रेश. बहुत लंबी शूट है आज, बट वी आर शूटिंग द सॉन्ग टुडे. उसके रिहर्सल्स चल रहे हैं पिछले 4-5 दिनों से एंड नाउ वी आर रेडी. तो आज एक बहुत ही भारी घाघरे में मुझे डांस करना है, बट आई एम एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई रियली एंजॉय डांसिंग. सो वी आर शूटिंग दैट एंड देन एक और गाना है एंड देन वी रैप द फिल्म.
ओके, द लास्ट वन. रिसेंटली वरुण से हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी किसी लॉन्च पे उनसे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि विथ ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट कि परिणीति इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सीनियर एक्ट्रेस. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पे आप?
ये लोग हमेशा मुझे ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. जब मैं आती हूँ तो जब भी मैं रूम में आती हूँ तो वीडी बोलता है, ओ नेशनल अवार्ड विनर, ओ सीनियर. ये अर्जुन और वीडी हमेशा मेरे बारे में ऐसे बात करते हैं, तो वो मजाक करते हैं.